Hello guys, welcome back again. Now we are discussing about what is the integrated approach to ensure securing in a virtual data room. An integrated approach to ensuring security in a virtual data room involves implementing multiple layers of a security measure across virtual data respective system of the Here are some key elements in virtual data room security approach for VDR. Secure infrastructure shows a reputable VDR provider that maintain a secure infrastructure that includes robust firewalls in inter, inter intrusion detection system, data encryption, and regular security audits to protect against external threats. User access control implement strong user access control ensure only authorized individual can access the VDR. General permission employ granular permission setting to control user access a specific document and other folder within the VDR. Assign permission based on role and responsibilities, allowing user to view, edit, or download documents as required. Document encryption, it's a very important thing. Document encryption. Encryption document is stored in VDR. Both in transit and a rest. Encryption adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that even if the data is interrupted, it remains unreadable without the appropriate encryption keys. Watermarking, adult trials and activity monitoring, maintain detailed adult trial and activities logs that tracks user action within VDR. That includes recording user logins, document access, download, and modification made. Regularly review this log to detect suspicious activities. Data back redundancy. Regularly back the up to VDR data to prevent data loss. Ensure that backup is stored are securely. Employee secure data transfer. Use secure data protocol SSL and TLS for data transmission between user and VDR system. This ensures that transmission over the network is encrypted and protected by eavesdropping and tampering. Employee training and awareness. Educate VDR about best practice and recognizing phishing attempts and practicing good data handling products. Regular training and awareness program can help minimize human error and prevent security breaches. Regular security adult audit. Conduct regular security audit and vulnerable assessment to identify any weakness or potential vulnerability in VDR system. Address any identified issue, promptly maintain a robust security portal by implementing an integrated security approach that combine these measures. You can enhance the security of your virtual data room and protect sensitive information due to. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you are enjoying my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.